Count of yarn is very important to produce specific quality yarn. It is the coarseness or fineness of the yarn. Count is a number that determines the mass per unit length or the length per unit mass. There are two systems for measurement of count: direct system, indirect system. Direct system. In direct counting system, the yarn number or count is the weight of a unit length of yarn. Lower the number, finer the yarn, and vice versa. The length of yarn is fixed, weight is variable. Formula: yarn count N equals to weight of sample W into unit length L divided by unit weight small w into length of sample capital L. Commonly used units in this system of measurement are tex, spindle, denier. Indirect counting system. In this counting system, the yarn number or count is the length of a unit weight of yarn. The higher number, the finer yarn, and vice versa. The weight of yarn is fixed and the length is variable. Formula: yarn count capital N equals to L, length of sample capital L into unit weight small w divided by unit length small l into capital W weight of sample. Commonly used units in this system of measurement are English count or cotton count, metric count,